Hi, everyone. I am so excited to finally get to show you my unboxing for Campaign 16. This summer, y'all, are you feeling the stress? Are you feeling, there's so much going on. Grandkids came into town with my daughter, so the entire end of my campaign um, was kind of just crazy. I all of my customer orders are packed up. As you can see, I got one right there ready to go out. So I'm not going to be able to show you what the customers bought, but I will tell you that it was packed full of hand creams for sure. A new ultimate and platinum because they were on sale. They're going to be on sale again for this next campaign. So awesome things. This was the campaign also for the brand new shampoo, which I got. You see, I haven't even had a chance to open. It has been a crazy, definitely a crazy week. But I'm excited to show you what I got and experience some of it with you now. Um, and it is always these are products that you'll be able to order into the next campaign. So don't feel like you missed out on anything. It's just that I am getting into you late, but it's always, better to share and do it at some point than to not share at all, right? Because, friends got to share. So I am super excited about ordering or about this brand new shampoo. I want to see what it smells like. So this is going to be our new Organist volumizing. And I feel like I could use some volume up there. I'm already using, and that's what I bought. There was a buy one, buy one, get the one for $9.99. So I'm already using the Organist, uh the rosemary mint uh strengthening shampoo, trying to thicken that hair up because it has biotin in it. So, it gives hopefully going to get a little thicker in areas that I want. I've had other um representatives say that it has been doing fantastic things for them. So, I've been using that line for just a little bit, so waiting to see if I get the same results they get. I know it's not going to be an overnight thing, but definitely if it will help me grow some hair and get it a little thicker, that would be great. But I can also add in this volumizing shampoo and then use the strengthening conditioner. Continue to use the strengthening conditioner to keep my regimen up on my hair. But let's find out what this smells like. Now, I will tell you that the rosemary mint, you have the mint. There's kind of a menthol smell to it, but I just, it's invigorating. So I just know that, I'm just like, oh, it's getting into my scalp and it's tingling, it's doing its thing, right? So I don't know if this is got a seal on it or not. Oh my goodness gracious. Brand new, brand new, brand new. Oh, I don't think it does. Oh, that smells really good. I know it's shampoo, but I'm just gonna put out just a dab so I can. Oh, that smells wonderful. It is, mm, do I want to say it's got a little bit of a floral scent to it, which I like. Um, uh, I wonder if that camellia oil that's in it, I wonder if that's a flower scent. That smells so good. Like I said, with the rosemary mint, you're gonna get kind of that menthol kind of scent to it, but it's invigorating and it kind of wakes things up. Um, and then with And then with that one, you're going to get kind of a floral scent. So definitely, take your choice on if you want to volumize. Our hair collection, we have something for everybody now. So if you have whatever you have going on with your hair, let me know and I can help you get the solution. You can go online and it will tell you which solutions by your concern, because we definitely have something for everybody in our shampoo line. I am just obsessed with that. So I also got some jewelry. Now I will say this time I did shop out of the clearance, and so if this stuff is still available on the next campaign, you'll still be able to get it. It is until it's sold out, but I'm going to go ahead and show you just because the quality of our jewelry is so awesome. Um, whatever pieces you get is just going to be high quality. So I had looked at these bracelets. I am so indecisive sometimes. And a lot of times I did bring my scissors too, as you saw, because I knew that shampoo, but I knew the jewelry might need some scissor action. Um, I I've been trying to hold off on jewelry, but it's so hard. And then I wait and I wait and I wait. Some of it I'm missing. This next time I've got some stuff I'm getting out of the what's new, so I am not even going to wait on the Halloween stuff. But this one is the blushing bloom. So this is going to be all of the charms on it. Hello. There we go. All the charms on it. I love that it sparkles. You can get this, see, look at the sparkle coming off the bracelet itself. And then it's going to come with those charms for spring. So this is part of the bloom. And I think this is really cute. It's got a flower, a sun, the pink, and then it's got a bow. So very, very cute. And you can just see those beads just catching the light and sparkling. Look at that. Yeah, they are beautiful. So I love a good stretch bracelet. Um, that way I can put it off and on by myself. I don't have to worry about clasps. So yeah, I am all about a stretch. So I would say on this one, I have about a medium size wrist, and fits it fits loose, just a little loose when I get it on, but definitely just enough of a dangle to where it's going to be great to have with all those little charms on there. So I've got that one. Let's see what else I got. I've got 4 pieces here to show you. If you're not checking out our jewelry, you are missing out because I have to say I love it too much. It is always much better in person. It's so funny that, we always are so surprised when we get it and we're like, oh my gosh. But it really is just amazing to see. You see it in a brochure, but then you see it in person and it's like, wow, I didn't realize it was going to be that pretty. So, I got another one here. I think I got 3. I got all 3 bracelets that were still available. This one is Lucky Me. So it's in the green and it has a horseshoe, a wishbone, a shamrock, and a beetle. Are beetles or a ladybug maybe? Are they good luck? I didn't know that. So yeah, so that's what, come on, work with us here so I can show it off. So again, four charms on there. That little horseshoe is adorable. Again, those stones are catching the light and just reflecting so beautifully. So this is the Lucky Me. So it's got four charms on it again. And then let's see what else. I'll show that one last. I'll show you. So I got three bracelets. So again, they're all stretched, they're all the beaded. I wanted to get the whole set, and thankfully the set was still available in our, last chance section. And boy, if you don't grab it in the last chance, you really are in trouble. So let's get this one out. And this one is Key to My Heart. So let's take a look at it. So it is um, so it is in a lighter pink than the blush. Or is that a purple? Is that a purple? I think this might be just a tad more purple than the other one. I think the blush is definitely pink, and I think this one is a tad purple. Yeah, this one's a tad purple. And this one has on it, again, four charms, and they are a butterfly, a key with a heart on top, a heart, um and a like a pearl-like stone. So again, beads are catching the light amazingly. And then you've got the four charms on there. So this is going to be a really nice set. If I want to wear them together, I'm really going to have an arm party going on. And then, like I said, I got all three. So super excited about those. And then I got a necklace too, because like I don't have enough necklaces. But this one, I went ahead and I got it because it's adjustable. So this one is the vintage rosebud boho necklace. And I'll show you what I mean about adjustable. At least I hope it's adjustable in the way I thought it was. Um, I was trying to remember, and I think it is because I think it's more like a bolo kind of, like a bolo tie kind of necklace. So let's see what we got here. Yep. Oh my goodness. There it is. It just slid right on out of there. Oh my goodness, that is pretty. So it has a rose. And yes, so it is like a bolo tie. So I can make this as short or long as I want. So on the back, you can see I can slide this up and down with that bolo type. The front is a beautiful rosebud. And again, just, oh, look at it catch the light. Yeah, that is pretty. So, and it's a good sized rose. So, I mean, it's really going to be um, pretty when it's on. Let me go ahead and slide it through. I should be able to make this long enough to go over my head, and then I can adjust it up to the length that I want it to be. Let me see here. Yeah, it's long enough to go over. So I can put it on over my head and I can have it as a long necklace. Um, so I can have it longer. Look at it catching the light. So longer that way, and it'll have a shorter tassel. Or if I want it to be more of an up close, necklace, I can pull it up and make it higher. So I love that it is so easily, look at that. So I can make it up into almost a choker and then just have the two dangling pieces below. So a really versatile top to be able, or necklace to be able to wear, and wear it however I would like. So those are the pieces that I got. I'm very excited with all of them. So I've got all the bracelets. I've got a beautiful necklace. And like I said, I'm glad that I went ahead and bought these. The necklace, I am just really, really excited about that necklace and the bracelets. So that's what I got for campaign 16. Um I have more for campaign 17, which is like right on the heels of this video because I'm late coming in. But if you guys have any questions about our shampoo or our jewelry, just ask me. I would love to help you out. And yeah, and I will see you in the next video. So get ready for the next campaign.